To start, let's define the two terms that we will be talking about. The first of these two terms is non-renewable resources. Now, non-renewable resources are resources that nature can't naturally replenish by itself. For example, the metal. Nature can't just simply make more metal, and we'll talk about this in a little bit. The second of these two terms is renewable resources. These are things on the opposite that nature actually can replenish, such as the sun producing energy using the solar panels, which we will also talk about later.
So here we have 6 solar panel arrays. And with these solar panels, we help collect solar energy by facing the trees. And this provides renewable resource solar energy for Shadyside. Now this is a type of a land resource. And over here, you can see we have even more solar panels covering the entire roof of McElroy. And here you can see some stats. We have 104 solar modules that produce a total of 39 kilowatts. And now that's optimally. Usually when it's cloudy out like it's right now, we don't produce as much. But that is renewable energy for Shadyside. We're good, okay. The solar panels are not the renewable resources. Those are capital resources. The renewable energy comes from the sunlight, which it can be categorized as a land resource.
So this metal tube is a non-renewable land resource. See, the issue is, even though technically you can remake metal, it's a process that takes millions of years, so effectively for our purposes, we can't renew. Another example is this whole go-kart. All of the metals and materials that go into making this motor, along with the metals for all these things, and even the electronics here, are all non-renewable.
Beyond Shadyside, the world also uses forms of renewable and non-renewable resources. For example, most of the energy, electricity in the US are produced using non-renewable resources, like natural gas or coal or crude oil. But we are transitioning to more renewable energy, like solar energy or wind-powered energy. Now, beyond that, paper, wood are also renewable resources since we can just grow trees. For example, the wood used to produce this row roof, as you can see in the picture here. Now, also we use plastic, and plastics are not renewable. So we should transfer to using more paper packaging rather than plastic packaging, since paper is renewable and plastic is not. Now, thank you for watching our video on renewable and non-renewable resources.